Hello dear friends and welcome back to Levitas, your number one information source for weight loss, health and wellness information. Today, we're shining a spotlight on liver health and uncovering 7 foods that can make a huge mess on this vital organ we call the liver. Your liver is an organ that is found in the abdomen, and it works tirelessly to detoxify your body and keep you as healthy as possible, but certain foods can put undue strain on this massively important organ. So, come on and join us as we explore the top 7 foods that harm your liver health and learn how to protect it from that kind of damage. Get ready to take control of your health and make informed choices about what you put on your plate and in your mouth and body. We will get right into the depths of these toxic foods, but first we need to understand what the role of the liver is. Before we take a look into the foods that harm your liver, let's first understand the critical role that this organ plays in your body. The liver is the body's largest internal organ and is responsible for a wide range of functions, including detoxification, metabolism, and nutrient storage. It filters and eliminates toxins from the bloodstream, metabolizes nutrients from food, and produces essential proteins and enzymes that support optimal digestion and immunity. With such an important and vital responsibility, it's crucial to prioritize liver health and avoid foods that can undermine its function, turn it into a fatty liver and ruin your health. Now that we know what the liver is, and the functions it accomplishes to keep you healthy, here are the liver destroyers, 7 foods for you to avoid at all costs to keep your liver healthy and fully working. Liver destroyer food number 1. Processed foods. Processed foods are loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. These can overload the liver and lead to fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, diabetes and bunch of other metabolic diseases. Processed foods include packaged snacks, sugary beverages, fast food, high fructose containing foods and convenience meals. Limit your intake of processed foods and opt for whole, nutrient-dense, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Do this and you will be taking good care of your amazing liver. Liver destroyer food number 2. Sugary treats. Excessive sugar consumption is a major contributor to liver damage, as it can lead to insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, and fatty liver disease, which can also turn into cirrhosis, a terrible liver disease, in the long run. Cut back on sugary treats like candy, chocolate, soda, pastries, fruit juices and desserts, and choose naturally sweetened alternatives like fresh herbal drinks or unsweetened snacks. Start by swapping sugar for much better options. Healthier sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit or even allulose. These sweeteners are great choices and will not produce the same problems that sugar does. Liver destroyer food number 3. High fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup or HFCS is a common sweetener found in many processed foods and beverages. Consuming large amounts of high fructose corn syrup can overwhelm the liver and contribute to insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, diabetes and other metabolic disorders. Check food labels and choose products that are free of high fructose corn syrup. Always avoid it to keep your liver strong and healthy. Reading food labels is a huge habit you need to start developing. Liver destroyer food number 4. Alcohol. This is an obvious one. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of liver damage and liver disease. Alcohol is toxin that is metabolized by the liver, and chronic alcohol abuse can lead to chronic inflammation, fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. Limit your alcohol intake to moderate levels or even better, avoid it at all cost. To stay away from these kinds of toxic elements is a good way to protect your liver health as well as your general health. Liver destroyer food number 5. Trans fats. Trans fats are artificial fats found in many processed and fried foods, including fried chicken, French fries, and packaged snacks. These unhealthy fats can easily raise cholesterol levels, increase inflammation, and contribute to liver damage. Choose foods that are free of trans fats and opt for healthier cooking oils like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or MCT oil. Liver destroyer food number 6. Excessive salt. Consuming too much salt can lead to fluid retention and high blood pressure, which can strain the liver and increase the risk of liver disease. Limit your intake of salty foods like processed meats, canned soups, and fast food, and opt for fresh, whole foods seasoned with herbs and spices instead. You may use 1 teaspoon of salt per day or a bit more depending on your physical activity and hydration levels. Liver destroyer food number 7. Commercial processed meats. Processed meats that contain high levels of saturated fats, starches and harmful compounds like heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which can increase the risk of liver cancer and other liver diseases. Limit your intake of processed meats and choose high-quality lean protein sources like poultry, fish, turkey, lean cuts of red meat and plant-based alternatives. Always look at the quality of your protein. It is best to get yourself some grass-fed, grass-finished cuts always. How can you protect your liver health? Now that we've identified the toxic foods that harm your liver, let's discuss how to protect and support your liver health. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to provide your liver with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush toxins from your body and support liver detoxification. Keep in mind that high-quality electrolyte supplements are a great way to keep you hydrated, so, if you have a dry mouth feeling, or you are sweating a lot while training, pump a serving or two of this magnificent supplements. Look for sugar-free electrolyte powders. Avoid alcohol. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation and avoid binge drinking to protect your liver from damage. Best advice here is certainly to avoid alcohol at all cost, so you keep your liver toxin-free. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity is an amazing way to promote blood flow, muscle gain, metabolism, and overall liver health. Get plenty of good quality sleep. Prioritizing good quality sleep is a main element when it comes to support liver regeneration and repair processes, since they mostly happen during your good night's sleep. Also, you should aim to keep low levels of the stress hormone, also known as cortisol, and low insulin levels too. Take to mind that your liver will not be able to detoxify itself or even you, if you are constantly getting known toxins into your mouth and body. So, stay away from this known liver destroyers and your liver will most certainly thank you. In conclusion and to summarize, your liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. By avoiding the foods that harm your liver and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you can protect your liver from damage and support its optimal function. Remember to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods, stay hydrated, avoid alcohol intake, exercise regularly, and get plenty of good sleep to keep your liver happy, functional and healthy for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better liver health. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Levitas channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest content. We love hearing from you, so be sure to leave a comment sharing your questions, your thoughts and experiences with liver health and the foods that harm this precious organ. Your support helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Until next time, take care of your liver, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.